As a business owner, we often confuse that which cloud storage is best for my business. If that's your confusion, then watch this video till the very end. Because today I'm going to discuss why OneDrive is best for businesses. What are the features available which makes it favorite for business owners, managers, and team leads. Hi, my name is Sandeep Misra. I'm running an IT company from last 14 years. Now I'm on mission to help small and medium business owners to grow their business 6x using business automation. So let's get started. So OneDrive is a cloud storage. So here, what do I mean by cloud? And how many of you know what is cloud storage? If you go on OneDrive site and you can see here it's self-written OneDrive personal cloud storage. But how many of you know what is cloud storage? So let me tell you, even though you are taking hosting from GoDaddy or any other hosting provider, it's similar. You can host your files and you can download from them. But why we call it cloud storage? Because you might need 5 GB today and 100 GB tomorrow. You might again need 1 TB. And after some time, you might want to decrease it. And that is what you can do in cloud. So because of this elastic nature, the amount of storage you want, you can use. There is no limitation. It's unlimited. You want to use 5 GB, you can use 5 GB. You want to use 50 GB, you can use 50 GB. And tomorrow, if you want 1 TB, you can use it. And again, you can degrade to the 5 GB. So there is no limitation. It's totally elastic. You can increase and you can decrease. And that's why we call it cloud storage. So what are the benefits available when you are storing files in cloud? And mainly three benefits. So let's keep two aside and talk about the first benefit, and that is access from anywhere. So for example, you created a file and store it in cloud, and tomorrow you are going for a client meeting and you forget your laptop. So how you can give them? You can easily find a PC, a desktop, or laptop. You can log in your web browser using your account and you can download that presentation and give the presentation. If you don't have any other device, you can easily log in your mobile and give the presentation. And that's the beauty, that whatever devices you are using, no matter you are using mobile, no matter you are using PC, or no matter you are using desktop, your files will be available everywhere, anytime, everywhere. So that's the first benefit. The benefit number two is backup and protect. It's OneDrive is taking backup automatically. You don't need to worry about that you are taking backup or not. Whether you are creating file in mobile, whether you are creating file in PC, whether you are creating file in browser, everything will be synced in cloud on real time. So after every few seconds, you will find that your file is uploaded in cloud. So for example, you created a file in your office. You come at home and now you want to access that file from home. You can easily log in your OneDrive account, download that file, and you can work on that file. And it's also secure because it's uploaded in Microsoft storage. Nothing is more secure than Microsoft Cloud. And the third feature is share. How many times you faced this problem that you created a file and you want that some particular people will work on that file. You want that your one department should work on that file. You want that your client should work on that file. And OneDrive is designed in a way that you can share with certain people, you can share with a group of people, you can share with your department, and you can also share with the external people like freelancers and clients. And it's real time updated. It means that whoever working on that file, you will get real time update. And if you find that something is not okay, if someone changed your file in a wrong way, you will have the history. You can revert that change. And because of all these features, that you have organizations, you had members, department members, you have external people, everything you have at one place in Microsoft, and you are able to share your files, you are able to make them work on your file. That makes it more powerful, more organized, more accessible, and more secure. And that's why I said OneDrive is the best application available in the market for organizations, for your business file management. So let's see what are the features available in Microsoft OneDrive. So let me share my screen, and I am already on Microsoft 365 OneDrive page, and here you can see we have option to create a free account. Also we have option, if you already created account, you can log in using this link. So you can click on create free account. It will take you a page where you will give your name, and then you will use your password, and you will create your account. Once you will create your account, you will click on already have OneDrive's account, then you will click on this link, and it will take you on the login page. There you can use your login to log in into OneDrive account. So I already logged in, and that's why you can see I have OneDrive uh, online here. So let me go back to the my Microsoft OneDrive page. So there you can see here we have OneDrive. If you are using Microsoft Windows 10, you will click on Start. Here you will find all those Microsoft apps. So click on all these apps, and here you will have OneDrive. Click on it, and it will take you on Windows Explorer, and there you can see OneDrive synced here. So if you have multiple OneDrive account synced with this PC, you will have multiple folders. I already have one account synced, and that's why I can see one account. You can also click on icon tray, and there you can see OneDrive is already available there. So click on that icon, and there you can see we have three options available. For example, one is the open folder, and then we have view online, and then the recycle bin. And you can see all the files which are synced before 10 minutes or whatever time, like 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. That is what you can see here. So at very top right, we can see help and setting. So click on settings, and you can see we have sync and backup. The very first option is backup important PC folders to OneDrive. So it will give you option for three folders, that is document, pictures, and desktop. So if you want to back up your document files, you will on this option. If you want to back up your pictures, then you will on this options. You will on this option. If you want to back up your desktop files, you will on this option. I don't want to back up these folders, and that's why I have all these options are off. Apart from that, whatever files you have here and in this folder will be backed up automatically using OneDrive. Then you can see account. I have one account synced. If you want to add more account, you will click on add an account, and it will give you option to add more accounts here. Again, if you want to unlink this PC, you can click on this link, and this will unlink your OneDrive from this PC. So this folder will be removed from here. Under notification, we will have notification that when do you want to have notification? Notify me when syncing is paused. If syncing is paused and you want a notification, you need to make you need to on this option. Notify me when other can share with me or edit my shared item. So if someone is sharing file with you or editing your shared file, you want a notification, make this option on. Notify me when a large number of files are deleted from cloud. So this is the dangerous situation. You want that if someone is deleting your files and you want notification that time, you will have notification. Notify me before many files that are deleted on my PC are removed from the cloud. It means that you deleted many files from your PC from here, and before all those files will be removed from cloud, you should have a notification. So on this option. So these are the notifications are available in About Us. You will have just information about your OneDrive. So let me close this option, and again we will go back and see that what other options we have. And we have send feedback. So if you want to send feedback, you will click here. If you want to get help, apart from that, we have pause syncing. It means that you are doing something, your network is not good, or you want to pause syncing for 2 hours, for 8 hours, for 24 hours. You will select this option, and you can see your files are not currently syncing. So if you want to remove, you will click and it will be removed. So that is what we have here. Apart from that, you can quit OneDrive. So let's click on the first option, that is open folder. So it will open same folder. What you can see here, it means that once you will click on this option, it will open this folder, and that's why you can see all those files are available. Once you will click on this option, it will open your OneDrive online. And then we have another option, that is recycle bin, and it will open your online recycle bin of OneDrive. So that's all feature we have here in settings in OneDrive by OneDrive icon. Let's go back to the folder where we have all those files and see what are the features available to sync and back up your files. So here you can see some files has cloud icon and some files have here checked icon. It means that this file is available in your PC and this file is not available here. So once you will click on this file, it will be synced and again available on your PC. So again you can see two different icons. Here it's totally green and here it's just a tick. So what is the difference between these two icons? If you right click here, you can see Priya, on always keep on this device. If you want to always keep this file on this device, you will check, and again you can see these icons are similar. It means that when you have this kind of icon for the file, it means that this file will be always available on your PC, and it means that it's downloaded temporarily, but it will be synced and uploaded to cloud, and after that you can see cloud icon for that file. So that's why you can see three different icons. One is it partially synced, but once it's updated in cloud, you will have the cloud icon here, and these files are available permanently on your drive. So benefit of having your files on your drive, some files you want that should be on your PC, because if sometimes internet is not available, or you are going outside and you will not have internet, you can just right click that file and always keep on this device, so file will be available on your local PC. Once you will go here and then right click and click on free up space, you can see it will be uploaded and then you can't see that file available on your PC, you will again have the cloud icon. So this is how you can back up your files in cloud, and after that you will make your PC storage free. Again, you can right click and see here we have settings. So let me open setting under cloud. So we have share, copy, link. So you want to share this file link with someone else, you can just click on copy link and share with someone else. Here we will have some settings, we'll discuss about that in sharing. So this is how you can copy. Then we have other, manage access, who can see your file, who can't see your file, that is you can manage using access. Then view online, if you click you can see this file online like this. So again you can right click and see we have version history, you will click here and you can see we have two histories. So if sometimes you find that someone changed your file but that change is not appropriate, you can go here and restore that change using history. Either you can delete, either you can download. So this is how you can maintain your versions and update your file with the correct version. Apart from that, we have again the two options which we already discussed. Always keep on this device or free up you if you want to keep this file on your device or you want to make up free space on your PC. That's what we have here. So let's go in cloud and discuss that. What are the features available when we are sharing with someone else? So similar thing, the way you will share from here, if you go here and click on share, the similar box you can see, the way you go here and click the file and select the share. So both options are same. So we are going to discuss how you can share with someone else. Here you can see we have anyone with this link. So you can see like if you have this option selected, you will create a link and anyone with that link can access your file. Then you have people in stw.com. It means that people only in stw organization can access your file. You want that people with existing access can access or people you choose. If you want to share with a group for or with your department, you can use this icon. Let me so how you can do that, you want that only view and also they can't download, you can select this option. Then you can apply. After that you can see it will give you option that to to whom you want to share with. So if I want to share with my STWHR department, I will select HR department and only those people who are part of STWHR department can access this file. So this is how you can uh, select a file, select a department, and apply that setting. Only those people can access your file. Again, from here you can change, they can edit or they can view. Then we can have the sharing setting. Again, you can go back and if you want to change, you can change it. So let me people with the existing access. Again, you can apply and you can give their name here. So these people doesn't have permission to access my file and that's why you can see this option because I selected people with the existing permission. So that is what I have to do. So based on your requirement, you can select that and you can choose file. If you're selecting anyone, then you have more options like you want to set an expiry date, you want to set a password, and you also want to block download. That is what you can do if you are sharing your file with a link. So this is how you can manage, you can restrict the person who can access, which department can access, uh, who can access, people from your organization can access file, or you want just specific people, you can just choose people you want and you can type the department, you can type the name. Apart from that, if you want to share with the client and freelancers, you can use the link, you can set the permission, time and password and share with them. So that's why this uh, this much feature you will not get in any cloud storage file management software. like password, date and time, restriction, and also department-wise sharing. And that's why I said Microsoft OneDrive is best application when you are managing your business files. So let me share how you can access your files in mobile and how you can operate using your mobile. So let me cancel this and close this. So we'll go here and let me share my mobile, and it will take few seconds. Okay, so you can see my screen is shared. So you can go here and you can type OneDrive. So it will download from cloud. So here you can see we have you can open your mobile and search for OneDrive, and you will have OneDrive in your mobile. So okay, now and you can see I have my all those files are available because I'm using same login. I can go at home and I can see all those files are available. So let me change back to the my Streamer services account because I have multiple accounts. So I'm going here and see. So you can see all those files are available, which I updated 6 minutes ago. You can see this file, and similar options are available for sharing. So again, you can go here. You can see we have share, delete, make available offline. The same way like we discussed in desktop, that you want that this file should be available always in this this device. In that case you will make available offline, that this file will not be upload this file will be uploaded on cloud, but again one copy you will have in your mobile. You want to move detail, rename this file, open in another app, open in Excel, that is what we have. So we'll click on share, and the same options you can see here. We have the anyone can edit what we discussed. So again you can come and you can select the option like I discussed. You can set the restrictions, and then you can set the name, password, and you can download as well, and you can apply. And that is what, like the way you can do in desktop, the way you can do in online, the same way you can also share with your members, with external people, with your client using mobile. You can open the file and you can also edit those files in mobile. So let me open in another app, open in Excel. So I need to install the Excel because I don't have Excel on my PC. So not now. So this is how you can access your files in your mobile, in web, and also in desktop. And that's the beauty of accessing Microsoft OneDrive. As I said that it is accessible from anywhere. It is also automatic backup will make it so powerful that even though you are not taking backup, backup will be taken on regular basis. And it's also shareable. You can share with your department, you can share with your your organization's members, and you can share with external people as well. So now we'll talk what are the features available which makes it more advanced, and how you can create the files using OneDrive online. So let me share my screen, and here you can see we have new. Using new, you can create new files like Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote, and form for Excel. You can create a form for Excel, Visio Drive, and link. You can also upload files and folder from here. You can sync with your PC. Apart from that, if you want to upload a file, you will go here, select a file, and it will give you a dialog box. There you can select a file and open, and it will upload. Here you can see a pop-up message, like you can see. Once uploaded, you can see three dot here. So whatever files you will upload just now, you can see three dots. It means that this file is uploaded just now. You can also create a new file. For example, I can go here and click on Word file. It will take me in the next window, and there I can see a file is opened, and similarly you can see a file will be created here. So let me go here. So you can see this file is created just 3 minutes ago. So let me refresh, and then you can see with a name of document, you can see the file should be created, and that will have, you can see here I have three dots. It means it it is just created. So then you can see we have here automation. It means that if you want to take some actions on your folders, on your files, which are being uploaded or created, for example, if you go here and click on see all your flows, or let me show in a different way, create new flow. So you can see request my manager's approval for the selected file. If you want that for a selected file, you want approval from your manager, that's flow you can add here. Start manager approval for selected file. Get signature on a selected file in OneDrive for business. Post a message to teams for selected file. So these kind of flow you can create. Sometimes you need a file and you want certain actions should be taken on that file when it's uploaded or when it's modified. And in that case, you can click on see all flow, and you will have all those flows which you can apply on your file. For example, you can see we have all these flows, so you can just use OneDrive, and you can see this much automations are available for OneDrive. So some of them like save outlook.com email attachment to OneDrive, complete custom action for selected file, keep my schoolwork in sync with my Google Drive, notify and email when a new file is uploaded in OneDrive. So that is all you can, based on your requirement. You can use all these templates. You can also click on see more templates, and you will have more templates. So there is no limitation. I think we have more than 300 templates, and that is what you can use for your OneDrive automation. And that's why I said this is more powerful, more advanced, and more organized to manage your business files. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I will upload this kind of video, you will get notification. If you want to do free business automation, please visit stw-automation.com. There you will get free business assessment template. Fill the template and you will get detailed report about your business automation. If you want to do free consultation, book appointment with us. Either email us. With this, I'm going to end this video. This is Sandeep Misra signing out till we meet again.